Hi! In front of me is Honor 90, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then tap on this icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner. And tap on all of your photos that you wish to add. You can also select Gallery section instead. Select your photos over here or tap on Folders and hold the chosen one over here. Then hit Add button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!